Okay, this should be a pretty quick video, pretty simple. If you have a 18 through, I guess right on up to 25 Toyota Camry, if you have a problem with your gas cap not opening, when you press the button, now I can hear my actuator is working, but my cap is not popping open. So what I have to do, quick move. I'm going to show you my quick move. But also what you can do is open your trunk. And once your trunk is open, you can look up here. And inside there, there's that little yellow piece. And what you do is you just pull that back. And what that will do when you pull that is actually release your actuator. A quick, easy fix. And one other thing, don't ask me why they put this in here. I guess it's for some kind of dampening, but I'm gonna find something to replace that with. But anyway, my spring was bad, and that's why I ordered this here piece. You can find them cheap enough on eBay for 10, average 11, 12 bucks. So it's not that expensive. But what you'll do, as you see, I've already taken the old one off. It's going to fit right in there, and it's going to go to where this little lid part is facing out. Just slide that. You see that little hook section slides onto that little bar right there, and this piece will go right up in that area. So you just slide that in as such. Now you want to sand my pieces off. I don't have to worry about it, but what you want to do is just slightly close the door a little bit, enough to slide that back piece in as such. And once you slide it over the bar, you're going to want to push it down so it will seat in that part right there. Okay, so I had to come back out because I wanted to make this clear on this part of what I was talking about. You put that back part on that little bar. You have to slightly close the door so it will slide on and around, and then at that point you just press, and it's got that little clip there, so you just press and it will seat. You hear it click, that means once you hear that little click, it's in place. Sorry I had to do this in two parts like this, but on that first one it wasn't clear on what I was talking about. Okay, so now when you press your button, it opens. This way you're not trying to put a little spring or anything up there. It's an easy $11 fix, and it only takes that amount of time.